Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a 7-day travel itinerary for Ireland. Ireland is a beautiful country with a rich history and culture. There are so many amazing things to see and do there. Day 1, Dublin. Start your day with a visit to Trinity College. Next, head to Dublin Castle, a former British government seat that now houses the National Museum of Ireland. In the afternoon, take a stroll through street. Stephen's Green, a beautiful public park in the city centre. In the evening, enjoy a traditional Irish pub dinner. Take a day trip from Dublin to Kilkenny. Visit Kilkenny Castle, one of the most complete Anglo-Norman castles in Ireland. Explore the narrow streets and colorful buildings of the city centre. Take a train from Dublin to Cork, Ireland's second largest city. Explore the city centre, including the Cork City Gaol, a former prison that is now a popular tourist attraction. Rent a car and take a drive along the Ring of Kerry. A scenic route that takes you through some of Ireland's most beautiful landscapes. Stop at the Killarney National Park. Visit the Muckross House, a 19th century mansion with beautiful gardens. Drive from the Ring of Kerry to the Cliffs of Moher, one of Ireland's most popular tourist attractions. Take a walk along the cliffs and enjoy the stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean. Drive from the Cliffs of Moher to Galway, a lively city with a strong Irish culture. In the evening, enjoy a traditional Irish music session in one of Galway's many pubs. Drive from Galway back to Dublin, where you can catch your flight home. If you have time, do some last-minute shopping for souvenirs. I hope this itinerary has given you some inspiration for your trip to Ireland. There are so many other amazing things to see and do in Ireland, so be sure to do some research and plan your own itinerary based on your interests. Thanks for watching.